Alright, so I'm gonna film this because, you know, it's gonna be one of my cool little adventures. I'm gonna make some new birdhouses. I gotta get the wood and everything. And I don't know if we're gonna keep on using these old posts because, you know, let's face it, they're kind of rotten. We're gonna take a peek inside the birdhouse. Hopefully you can see something in there. If there's any bird eggs in there. Doesn't look like there's anything in there. Well, there's a few of them here. Oh god. There's one right there. There's one on that tree. There's one over there on that post. There's another one over there. We're gonna just take a peek in as many as I can. I don't know. No, I'm not gonna be able to reach up there to see, but hopefully you can see up there. Can you? Please tell me you can see. Oh god. Well, my camera went for kind of a ride. Yeah, I'm gonna get this thing duct taped to a pole and stick it up there. I do have a little something going to end up in my possession within the next few days. So I got this one over here. I think my grandpa hit this one over here with a mower this summer, or last summer. And dogs following me too. What's the lighting screwed up on this camera? Hello. Okay, I think the camera's broken, guys. Oh well. It is what it is. I'll buy me a new one. Alright, I can see into this one, I think. Can you see in there? Oh, so there's like a latch on this. See? I guess you could have lifted up on this at one point in time. Let's see, this thing is not doing so good. Let's see here. I don't know if I'm going to use the posts. I know one of them for sure got broke off last summer. So, whether I use those or not too sure. I might just end up sticking them in trees. Okay, there's no way in the world I'm going to be able to reach up to this. So, let's try some monkey business, shall we? Hopefully things are solid enough for me to stand in. Oh, look at that. The bottom's not in this one. This makes me feel so safe. This whole feeder should come out. Really, it's illegal to feed deer where we're at, so you get a pretty good sized fine for that. And really, it's just a terrible look here, so it doesn't look that good. Maybe I'll end up tearing that out. I'll probably do it by hand. So how about round two? I'm gonna grab some tools really quick, and you can come along with me. There, I can see we can see inside that big bird feeder. So we for this project, I'm gonna need pressure treated wood, and that's gonna be easy to come by if you go to the right place. And I need a tripod for this camera if I do that. If I carry out with this project. Let's see here. That's wrenches. Okay, so I need me some vice grips. Yeah, these should work. Alright, so you see that right there, right at the end of my finger? Or right where the light's flickering there? That's how you open that. Yeah, I've been pinched there so many times. It's not worth it anymore. So, I'm gonna sit here and talk. There. I don't know if this is even gonna fit this camera. I'm gonna sit here and talk for a minute. There's some really good things coming up in the future. Hopefully you can see me. There's some really good things that are coming up in the future for my YouTube channel. You can take a wild guess at what it is. I'm not telling you. Because, well, none of your business. I'm going to try to start uploading more often. Because, well, that's going to be good for me and good for you. So, Alright, let's see if I can do this without cracking anything and killing my poor camera. Alright, so... perfect. Now I got a selfie stick so I can stick it way out like this. Hilarious! Alright, let's go visit the inside of that birdhouse. I will never let this go down in the books. I'm going to post this on my Instagram. JohnDeere496091. It's all lowercase, no need to put spaces. It's just the same thing as my channel, just everything's lowercase. So now can you see in there? I'm sure you can. I don't think there's anything in there. Oh well. You can see where the squirrels are eating out at it. So I'm gonna do a little walk and talk here while we're at it. If we don't use up those posts for those bird houses and feeders, or whatever the heck I've been calling them, they're bird houses. Regardless of what I've been calling them, they're bird houses. I'm sorry if there's wind noise, but hopefully you can hear me over the wind, because I have my face pretty much planted against this camera. It is pretty windy here right now. If we don't, and if all else goes down the drain, I have 2 trees back here picked out for posts. They are rather small trees, but yep, they're jack pines. Jack pines are terrible trees. We have this one here, so I need like 21 feet of wood for posts. This rotten piece of turd. Yeah. So I think a lot of people are gonna enjoy these kind of videos because they're awesome, in my opinion. Because I get to get out and walk around a bit. Ooh. And I got this one here too. It's pretty big. So, well, my hands are getting cold because these vice grips are kind of cold. Chloe, oh, you ding dong. Hey. So I'd like everyone to tell me what they think of the new tractor. Let's post that in the comments of this video or the other one. I think it's a wonderful machine. It looks nice. It runs nice from what I can tell. And it's very smooth. And Chloe's sitting here walking on 3 feet of snow. There's still 3 feet back here. Maybe not 3 feet, maybe it's 2 feet. Some spots I can go up to my knee in, and that's about 1.5 to 2 feet. Yeah, Chloe and I were over here this winter, and we were playing with a ball. And I didn't know that there's all these logs in here. And I threw this ball over here, and the snow was so deep that it kept drifting into this hole. Yeah. Well, she found out because she sunk up to her neck in snow, and she's not that big. And I guess she hears a mole or a vole under the snow here. Dig it up. Dig that little animal up. Figure it out. What are you doing? Alright. So my camera battery's almost dead because it's cold, and I didn't charge it the last few videos. But, yeah. Hopefully you guys like these kind of videos, because I think I'm going to do them more often. I think they can be considered as vlogs almost, but I don't know. You tell me, because I'm just about as new to this as anyone else. So, hopefully, all else goes well in my channel, and well, we'll see you all in the next video once I get back to the house here. I'm going to talk about one other thing really quick. The thing that's going to be changing my channel is probably sound quality and video quality. That's all I'm going to say. So, if you can put 2 and 2 together, you can figure out what that is. Let's see. We got awesome views here. Let's see here. And, we'll just say that, the ground is still frozen hard. It's actually really frozen hard. We got bird feeders, and this thing was filled all the way to the top about a week ago. Hopefully you can see past the sunshine. This thing was filled all the way to the top about a week ago. The little birds are eating it, and that's good. Kind of want that to happen. That's what they call them, bird feeders. You know, this ice over here is slick, but I'll risk my life for the YouTube view here. I had to come back here and grab this bucket anyway. Here, watch. I'm not trying to move my foot. I just put it down and it slides. I don't know if you can see that, but about 3 or 4 days ago, I was over here and I slipped and fell right on that edge. It was not fun, but you know, both my hands are occupied, so now if I fall, I'm pretty much screwed. And then either my camera or this bucket's gonna take a dive. I'm floating camera here. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this 10-minute video because that was a quick 10 minutes if I ever had a quick 10 minutes. Thank you all for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe, or give the video a thumbs up. It doesn't matter to me if you call it rate or thumbs up, but I'm gonna quit my ramblings and have a good day, or a good weekend. Sorry.